Speaking of having you covered, though, if you don't even want to spend that much, Mercedes-Benz might help you out. They're going to give you this new EQA electric SUV for $46,000. So this marketplace is really heating up. Now, the one downside with this particular vehicle, it's not a range topper. It's coming in at 265 miles of range per charge, likely. Granted, people kind of adjust their expectations to go with cost. $46,000, you're like, all right, get around town. Depends what your commute looks like. 265 miles is going to work for some people. And it's a little SUV. You move around town, Will. And you have a luxurious interior. And you pick a few things up. You throw Otis in the back. I don't know. Tell me.
This reminds me of the Mach-E from Ford, in a way.
You think so?
Yeah. I don't know. For some reason, it has like a similar shape.
I would say, well, it's definitely in the same market. Yeah. I think the Mach-E looks a little sportier than this.
Right.
I would say. But you're right. It is the same segment. It's a small electric SUV with a big hatchback on it. Same number of seats. And I don't know about the range. I think that the Mach-E can do slightly better range than this EQA. But look at this, Will. It's so many more options.
Yeah.
What do you think of the interior, by the way? I'm just going to ask you that real quick. How do you think the interior stacks up to something like a Tesla?
Where is the interior?
Well, the pictures are in there, Will.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, they're right in the article there. That's where those pictures. Okay, here we go. Willie do.
It's nice. It's very sporty.
Initial reaction.
I always like the big screen. I
big
think that's
screen
coming
across
up
there.
for
Yeah.
pretty much all vehicles.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I like it.
Willie do.
It's not bad.
He gives it the thumbs up.